Now we will study about conservation of soil. Soil is very important natural resource and nature took millions of years to form soil. So we should protect the soil from its erosion. The protection of soil from its erosion is known as conservation of soil. Soil erosion can be prevented by afforestation, growing plants in farmlands, avoiding overgrazing, construction of embankments, and step farming. Let us study one by one. So, first one is afforestation. Growing of trees on a large scale is known as afforestation. If the trees have to be cut down from the forest for various needs, then new trees should be planted in place of the cut trees. This is called reforestation. In this way, the forest will continue to have a sufficient number of trees all the time. Planting grasses on hillsides helps to stop water from carrying away soil. So we should plant more and more trees. When the land is not being used for farming, it is good to grow grass or some other plants to bind the soil particles together, which help to prevent the soil erosion. Farmers grow seasonal vegetables and pulses to protect the soil erosion until next crop is planted. Growing bushes or trees along the edges of farmland reduces soil erosion by reducing the speed of wind. We should take care that the grazing animals are not allowed to graze on the same area again and again for a long time. This is one of the way that we can avoid the erosion of soil, or we can conserve the soil. Running water washes away a large portion of the fertile topsoil during floods. If strong embankments of rocks and stones are constructed on both sides of a river or stream, it would help to prevent flooding of water in the adjoining fields and check soil erosion. On hill slopes, the flow of rainwater is very rapid. It carries away a lot of fertile topsoil. Farming is done by cutting steps in the hill slopes. This method is called step farming. This reduces the speed of water as it flows down and therefore reduces soil erosion. Also, the soil eroded from one step is deposited on the next step. This further reduces the loss of fertile topsoil. So, these are some methods how we conserve the soil. Thank you.